Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best finishing touch is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving that perfectly smooth, hair-free look, and today we're diving deep into the replacement heads that keep this popular device working its magic. If you've been wondering whether it's time to refresh your current finishing touch or if you're considering purchasing one, understanding the importance and effectiveness of its replacement heads is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring you get the flawless results you expect every single time. Number 5. Flawless Hair Removal Tool Gen 2 Replacement Heads. Experience the next generation of smooth. These replacement heads are designed to perfectly fit your existing device. Our advanced double ring blades ensure a close and comfortable shave every time. They are engineered for optimal performance on facial hair. Specifically crafted for the Generation 2 Flawless Hair Removal Tool. Get the most out of your device with these dedicated replacement heads. Enjoy a gentle yet effective hair removal experience. These heads are designed to be kind to your skin while removing unwanted facial hair. Never run out of fresh replacement heads. This pack includes 6 heads, ensuring you have a supply for months to come. Bring your flawless hair removal tool back to its best. These heads will restore its efficiency and provide the smooth results you expect. What we like? These are designed specifically for the older Gen 2 device. If you have that particular model and need replacements, these are your go-to. They ensure compatibility and continued performance for your existing tool. What people say. The rose gold finish is a nice touch. These replacement heads fit perfectly and work just like the original. They are easy to install and remove. Number 4. GURELAX Rechargeable Eyebrow Trimmer for Women. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with ease. This device offers a painless and efficient way to groom your brows. Say goodbye to plucking and waxing discomfort. Its gentle design ensures a smooth and pain-free hair removal experience. Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable design. Keep it powered up and ready for quick touch-ups anytime, anywhere. More than just for eyebrows, it effectively removes unwanted hair from your face, nose, and ears. It's your all-in-one grooming solution. This grooming essential comes in a stylish rose gold finish. It's as beautiful as it is functional, making it a great addition to your beauty kit. Never worry about dull blades. It comes with 2 replacement heads to ensure optimal performance and longevity. What we like? This option is perfect for detailed work, especially on eyebrows. If you're looking for a precise and painless way to maintain your brows and other facial hair, its rechargeable nature makes it convenient. It's ideal for those who prioritize gentle grooming. What people say. The replacement heads are a perfect fit for the finishing touch device. They are easy to install and provide a smooth, flawless finish. The heads are durable and last a long time with regular use. Number 3. Tuokiy Rechargeable Facial Hair Remover. Tired of unwanted facial hair? Discover a smooth, effortless way to remove peach fuzz and fine hairs from your face. It's designed for gentle and effective results. Our built-in LED light illuminates even the finest hairs, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Achieve a flawless finish every time you use it. Enjoy the convenience of USB recharging, making it perfect for travel. Its compact design fits easily into your purse or travel bag for on-the-go touch-ups. This device is designed to be gentle on your skin while effectively removing hair from areas like your upper lip and chin. Experience comfort and confidence. With its simple operation, achieving smooth skin is easier than ever. It's also simple to clean, ensuring hygiene and longevity. It comes with replacement heads to ensure optimal performance over time. Keep your device working like new for continued smooth results. What we like? With its built-in LED light, you won't miss a single hair. If you need a portable solution for on-the-go touch-ups and appreciate ease of use, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to ensure a perfectly smooth finish anytime, anywhere. What people say. The replacement heads are easy to install and provide a smooth shave. They effectively remove unwanted hair without causing irritation. The design allows for precise trimming and shaping of eyebrows. Number 2. BECHY Finishing Touch Flawless Gen 1 Replacement Heads. Experience smooth, radiant skin with these replacement heads. Designed for gentle and effective facial hair removal, they ensure a flawless finish every time. Each head features an 18K gold-plated rose gold finish. This luxurious design not only looks beautiful but also ensures a comfortable and safe experience. Specifically crafted for the first-generation finishing touch flawless facial hair removal tool. These heads provide a perfect fit and optimal performance for your device. These replacement heads are tailored for women seeking a convenient and pain-free solution. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This pack includes 4 replacement heads, ensuring you have a fresh one ready whenever you need it. Keep your device performing at its best with this convenient supply. Rediscover your confidence with smooth, hair-free skin. These heads help you achieve that desired flawless look effortlessly and efficiently. What we like. These are the ideal replacements if you own the first generation of the popular facial hair removal tool. The gold-plated design offers a premium feel and gentle application. If you have the original model, these ensure you can continue to use it effectively. What people say. The replacement heads are easy to install. They work great and last a long time. The design is sleek and fits comfortably in the hand. Number 1. Flawless Women Facial Hair Remover Replacement Heads Gen 2. Tired of unwanted facial hair? Achieve a smooth, flawless finish with these replacement heads. They are designed for a painless and gentle experience. These are the Generation 2 replacement heads specifically made for your finishing touch flawless facial hair removal tool. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance every time. Experience a new level of smoothness. The advanced design ensures a painless hair removal process, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and free of stubble. Featuring innovative double halo technology, these heads capture more hair with each pass. Get a closer shave without any nicks or irritation. This pack includes 4 replacement heads, offering great value and ensuring you always have a fresh head ready to go. Keep your device performing at its best. Don't let dull heads compromise your results. Easily replace your old heads with these new ones to restore the flawless finish you love. It's a simple way to maintain your beauty routine. What we like. Designed for the second generation, these offer a painless and smooth experience. If you're seeking a comfortable and effective way to remove facial hair with a device that prioritizes a gentle touch, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for those with sensitive skin or who dislike any pulling sensation. What people say. The replacement heads are designed to work with the original finishing touch device, ensuring a perfect fit and continued functionality. These heads are crafted for precision, effectively removing unwanted hair with a smooth and clean finish. The pack includes multiple replacement heads, offering a cost-effective solution for maintaining the device's performance over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.